In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Okay, so why would you want to use Amazon gift card? Maybe you got one for your birthday, but you're not sure exactly how to use it. And it's all handled here in the Amazon app. It's a brown and smiley face looking thing right here. I'm going to open up my Amazon app now. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you want to use your Amazon gift card first, you do need to redeem it. Click on this little person icon down here on the bottom left. Once you click there, you will see a few options for your Amazon account. But you want to scroll down till you see this line called your account, and you're going to see a button called Manage Gift Card Balance. Go ahead and click there. Okay, so here in this section, you're going to see a few options for gift cards in your Amazon account. But first, in order to redeem, you need to click on this line right here. Redeem another gift card. Okay, so here in this section, you can go ahead and redeem your Amazon gift card code by entering the code right here. Now, that's going to be for online Amazon gift cards or even the physical Amazon gift cards. Once you have redeemed your gift card, it will go into your current balance. As you can see, I have $10 in Amazon gift card balance right here. So once you have redeemed it, the card is no longer any good, and it's already added into your Amazon account to use as a payment method. Now, in order to use your Amazon gift card, all you need to do is go ahead and pull up a product that you want to buy. So here, I am on the home screen. Let me go and click on this Amazon Basics computer speakers. Okay, so I selected this item right here. As you can see, we are buying these speakers for $17.99. So what I'm going to do is add this into my cart by clicking on this yellow add cart button. Okay, so now this item is inside my cart. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my cart. That way, we can go ahead and use our Amazon gift card. Okay, so once you're in your cart, in order to use your Amazon gift card, you need to proceed to check out by clicking on this yellow button. Okay, so here is your order confirmation screen. So it shows that we're buying these speakers for this price. And your gift card is automatically applied to the amount that you're going to be using. As you can see, $10 is automatically applied. However, if you're trying to use your Amazon gift card and it's not automatically applied, all you need to do is go down here to payment method. As you can see, we're going to be using my Visa and also my gift card balance. But just click on that line. Okay, so here in this section, you can go in and choose your payment method. There is this line right here called Amazon gift card. As you can see, it's blue, so it's automatically populated to go ahead and use my Amazon gift card for this purchase. However, if it was not already applied, it might have been gray. So let me switch this over. So I switch over. You can see it is gray. If it's gray, that means you are not going to use your Amazon gift card for that purchase. So you need to go ahead and click on it. Make sure that it turns blue like so. Once it's blue, then that Amazon gift card will be applied to your current purchase. So let me click continue. Okay, so once again to confirm, now you can see my gift card balance will be used for this purchase. Also, here on your payment method, $10 gift card balance. And that is how to use Amazon gift card. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.